When you're recovering from an injury, the finish line isn't always the day you leave the hospital. For many, that's just the beginning of a new chapter. Real recovery often involves follow-up appointments, therapy, and help with everyday tasks at home. There are also financial costs associated with this journey. Understanding how these costs are covered is a vital part of a personal injury claim. This video walks you through what these costs can include and how these claims are evaluated in Alberta. Future recovery costs aren't just numbers on a page. They are about people. They represent the support you may need to rebuild your life after an injury. Today, next year, and even 10 years from now. In Alberta law, this is known as cost of future care. It's the treatment and support you'll likely need long after your legal case is wrapped up. It covers much more than just doctor visits. We're talking about physiotherapy, medications, or mobility aids. But it also includes hidden needs, like housekeeping, yard work, or shoveling snow, if those tasks are no longer safe for you to do alone. Take a serious leg injury, for example. Recovery is not just the initial surgery, it's years of physio, managing flare-ups, and potentially modifying your home to stay independent. To qualify for cost of future care compensation, the law doesn't demand perfection, but it does ask for reasonableness. You need to provide evidence that this care is truly necessary to support your health and ongoing recovery. This is why we work with doctors and specialists, like actuaries and economists. They provide the data-backed roadmap for what your recovery will actually look like and what it will cost. Without that foundation, these future expenses are hard to recover. But how do you put a price tag on the future? Courts look at complex projections, the rising cost of services, your specific health outlook, and how the injury impacts your daily life over time. Remember 3 things. First, every claim is 100% individual. Second, it lives or dies on medical evidence. And third, small details you track today determine the support you get years from now. That's why working with an experienced injury lawyer to prepare these claims properly can make a meaningful difference. Our role at CAM LLP is to see the big picture. We work with financial and medical experts to ensure your claim reflects the real-world support you're going to need. We've been helping injured Albertans navigate these questions for over 60 years. If you're worried about the road ahead, let's talk about your options.